Hello friends, in this video we will see the documents that we need to have with us while filing our income tax return online. Having these documents beforehand will help us save time and be effective while filing our income tax return. The most important document that we need to have with us is our PAN card. It acts as identity proof for us while filing our tax return. Without this, we can't even log into the income tax portal. The next important document that we need to have with us is our Aadhaar number. It is better to have Aadhaar linked mobile number with us so that we can use Aadhaar OTP method to perform e-verification of ITR filing. It is advisable to link our Aadhaar with our PAN card. The third most important information that we need to have with us is our bank account. Our bank account has to be pre-validated so that we can use EVC code method to e-verify our ITR filing. In case of any refund or in case you are supposed to pay some tax to the Indian government, you can use this bank account. The most important document that we need to have with us is Form 16. This Form 16 is easy to understand. This is going to help you a lot while filing your ITR return. Let us understand some important information about Form 16. The first point that we are going to look at is this is issued as a proof of tax detected and deposited on behalf of you to the Indian government. The second point that we are going to look at is it contains the information that you need to use to prepare and file your tax return. As I said earlier, this document is pretty simple to understand. In addition to that, employers are supposed to issue this Form 16 to you before 15th of every year. In case they fail to issue the form, they are liable to pay penalty to the government. The fourth important point is that only employers can issue this Form 16 in a soft copy or hard copy. They can use Trace's website and they will be able to use their PAN number and TAN number to log into the Trace website and download the Form 16 copy and then issue that to you. The important information to note is that you cannot download Form 16 by yourself. Only employers will be able to issue the Form 16 to you. In case you have issued all the proof to your employer while working with them, all the information will be captured. You will be able to see that information in the Form 16. You can just use this Form 16 as a source of data and then you can file your ITR just like that. In addition to this, it is better to have our investment details, which includes the investment you have made to save taxes under Section 80C, 80D, 80E and etc. Some of the examples of tax saving investments include Public Provident Fund, Equity Linked Savings Scheme and NPS, in addition to LIC and Unit Linked Insurance Policy plans as well. It is better to have the investment amount that you have made and the proof if possible. In case you have already submitted the proof with your employer, those informations will be part of your Form 16. In case you haven't specified this information with your employer, you can claim these deductions while filing your ITR return online at the end of the year. For your information, I have already made a video on how to file income tax return ourselves. That video will be very helpful for you to file your return by yourself. I hope this video is helpful. Do subscribe for our channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.